Hello everyone, if you want to play Halo Campaign Vault and your game is not loading, then you have come to the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Halo Campaign Vault not loading easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Halo Campaign Vault, click Properties, Install Files, click Verify and tag your game files here. Once you do that, now you're going to click on Browse here to open up Halo Games folder, or you're going to go to its location manually. And now you're going to right click on Halo Campaign Vault, click Properties, Compatibility, disable full screen optimizations and click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply, OK, and close this up. Now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write your graphic settings. You're going to click on add desktop app here, and you're going to go to your Halo games folder. You're going to add the Halo exe here. Click add. Now find it in this list. Click on GPU preference, set it to high performance. After that, close this up. Now you're going to open up your Xbox app on your computer. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto your username, click onto support, gaming services to pay a tool, click on start repairing then. Now it's going to diagnose your issue and it's going to fix it on its own. Once it's done with that, click close on here, restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Halo Campaign Vault, you'll see that your game will not work. You'll not face that not loading problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.